7 ways to attract women without talking. While you are conversing with her and feel like you are vibing well, briefly touch your lips. This action can be a soft tap or a short click of your fingers. It draws attention to your mouth and, if she's interested, invokes images of kissing you, enticing her further. The most important part of attracting women without talking is making quality eye contact with women. When you find yourself making eye contact with a woman, hold her gaze and give her a warm smile. Eyebrows are a giveaway. Make sure to know how to emote through your eyebrows. Just raise them enough so she knows you are genuinely interested in what she is saying. Stand your ground, whether it be when she first approaches you or several minutes into the conversation. It's important to let her determine how close she wants to get. If she tries to get inside a little and you recoil, it immediately tells her you are not interested, whether it was out of shyness or not. Dressing well is one of the essential strategies to garnering a woman's attention. For starters, stick to a pair of fitted jeans, a button down, and some casual shoes. Show social proof. If you show up with friends, especially female friends, you incite curiosity in nearby singles. This means that it's time to take the boys out for drinks. Every friend you have a good time with is another person that doesn't consider you a freak, and women notice this. Always face her. When you are talking to her, you have to face her, but don't turn around once you are done talking. Just generally turn towards her direction so she is subconsciously aware of your presence and your interest. During a conversation, if she leans forward or takes a step towards you, don't back away. Either move forward in her direction or stand your ground. If you move back, she may think you are not interested or you are a bit closed, and she might withdraw thereon.